Imagine watching your computer mouse click, type, and navigate across your screen, completely on its own. We are now at a point where AI can physically operate your machine to execute your digital tasks. Today, we are going to configure Claude Code's new computer use protocol and turn it into an autonomous lead generation agent. To build this, you need three pieces of software installed: Visual Studio Code, Claude Code itself, and a web browser called Sen. Before we start, you need to know the risks. Automated outreach violates LinkedIn's terms of service, meaning your account could be suspended. Additionally, letting an AI process screenshots to navigate your screen burns through API credits very quickly. Moving from conversational AI to operational AI shifts the technical stakes. The tool has moved beyond drafting text. It now physically executes outbound sales labor by controlling the cursor and hitting send. Step 1 is getting the protocol running. Open up Claude Code inside your Visual Studio Code terminal and type /mcp to pull up your enabled protocols. Use your arrow keys to scroll down to the option labeled Computer Use. Press Enter to select it, and press Enter again to activate it. By design, this system comes with a major speed bump. Out of the box, Claude requires you to manually approve every single action it wants to take on your screen. To bypass that, clear your terminal and paste this exact command: Claude, dangerously skip all permissions. An autonomous system cannot function if it has to stop and wait for a human to click yes every 10 seconds. Running this command removes that bottleneck entirely. Currently, the computer use protocol struggles with Google Chrome. To get around this, you must download and use the Sen browser, which allows the AI to navigate the web seamlessly. Now we write our master prompt. We tell Claude to open the Sen browser, go to a specific LinkedIn URL, like an industry-specific group, and search for decision makers to send personalized messages to. Instead of telling the AI to search the exact word owner, we are going to use a specific platform trick. We instruct it to insert a single letter into the search field, like A or B. Inputting a single letter forces LinkedIn's algorithm to surface high-value profiles, like founders and directors, at the very top. Add this to your prompt. Insert a letter in the search field to show founders first, then message the qualified ones. A fast AI clicking aimlessly won't yield results. You have to combine the raw automation with a precise understanding of the platform's search behavior to ensure high-quality leads. Once you hit enter, the AI will immediately pause. It needs context about your business before it can write effective outreach. You must supply your company details, title, core value proposition, and the exact types of managers or directors you want to target. After you feed it that necessary context, the agent takes over. Your hands leave the keyboard, and you watch the cursor move on its own, opening the browser and pulling up the exact LinkedIn group you requested. Soon, you will hit another roadblock. The agent stops and asks if you want to manually sign off on each individual message. You can correct this mid-task. Simply type back, "No need to sign." Do all the next 15 outreaches in one response, and it will resume working in a continuous batch. This split screen shows our next bottleneck. The default Opus model is slow and heavy at taking screenshots and deciding where to click. To fix this, switch to the active Sonnet model, which processes these visual loops rapidly. It navigates with far less friction. Knowing how to step in, adjust the parameters, and upgrade the model on the fly separates a sluggish, expensive experiment from a streamlined business system. With the model optimized, the agent successfully cycles through the group. You are left with a queue of highly targeted, personalized messages sent completely without human intervention. And this capability isn't contained to web browsers. You can instruct the agent to open a desktop app like ClickUp, navigate to a specific marketing chat, and update a team member on a project status. Granting an AI direct control over the cursor allows it to bridge separate applications, operating across different platforms in the same way a human would. If you want to map out how to integrate tools like this into your own workflow, check out our 1% in AI community. It provides a step-by-step learning roadmap, and if you complete the 30-day challenge consistently, you get a full refund. Professional roles are evolving beyond human-to-human competition. Success now depends on mastering autonomous systems before they become the standard for digital labor.